Welcome back to Fired Up Garage. Check this one out, a 1979 Bronco Ranger XLT. This is a beautiful truck, and it's just come off of a restoration that's been going on for a while. Actually, it was in on this day to have some engine work done, and it was getting an aftermarket AC. That's a 351 modified engine there, aftermarket AC on it as well. And check out that brand new Holley Carb tucked under the air cleaner there. It's got a new intake, new Holley Carb on it as well. This truck has some amazing paint. You can see just how smooth this paint came out. And also they've got the graphics on this one that make this just that classic, iconic 79 Ranger. The wheels on it, those slot mags, looking good on this one with the BFG all-terrains on it. Interior red vinyl. Looked like the interior was still being worked on here a little bit when we saw this truck. Undercarriage looks like it was previously restored, but a little bit older in the restoration process. They probably did that first, some of the mechanicals, but it did have some new shocks on it, and it looked like some new suspension parts on it as well. The transfer case had just been rebuilt. Got an aftermarket exhaust on it. Looking good, driving good, and the owner is getting ready to enjoy this one.